Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will discuss how you can get recently deleted stories and posts in your activity section. To see your activity section you have to click on three lines. In three lines you will find your activity. If you scroll down then you will find recently deleted option in your activity. If you click on that, as you can see there are two stories which I have deleted recently are showing. If you are not shown this deleted post or any kind of post in this section, there are many reasons for that. One of the reason is that you have not deleted any post or stories around about 30 days, because a post remain in deleted section for about 30 days. If you have deleted a post or Instagram story mistakenly, and if you want to restore it back and it is not shown in the your activities section, as you can see, then now I will tell you how can solve this problem. For this you have to close your Instagram. After that you have to click on settings. In settings you have to click on apps. In apps you have to scroll down. After you have scrolled down, then you can easily find Instagram app settings. In Instagram you have to click on storage. In storage you have to clear cache for the Instagram app. In iPhone or iOS device this option is also available as offload app. After clearing the cache you can again check your Instagram so that whether the problem has solved or not. If the problem is again occurring, then there is another tick which is as you have to press and hold and uninstall your Instagram and reinstall it so that an updated version of the Instagram you can get. But if you don't want to uninstall it, then you can also update your Instagram app from Play Store. As you can see, as you search, then there will be an update for your Instagram. Many problems are solved by simply updating the Instagram app. Hope you have liked this information. If you are new to this channel, kindly like this video, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of our latest videos. Thank you.